So as you can see now, the Radio Shack CTR-132 cassette recorder is cooked. And as you can see, it's missing its lid, and its shell is completely destroyed. As I expected, that's because of its very fragile plastic that's completely deteriorated. So I decided to get rid of the lid altogether, not to mention that the counter is no longer working as well. But as you can see, it's still working, with some problems too in the electronic side. You see, when I hit record, it emits a very strange internal noise that would be recorded onto the tape. But if I let the unit play for like 5 minutes or so, the noise will subside, but it still emits a very strange beeping, soft beeping noises. But when I introduce the sound, it goes as normal. But when the input goes silent for like some seconds, it will emit that strange beeping noise again. The weirdest of all is that the mic is no longer working, at least on the input jack, because I removed both the microphone, built-in microphone and speakers when I removed the lid, in hopes that I might use an external mic, but that kind of failed. So this is the only option. I would record in my tablet and then record the audio in the tablet or phone, I mean, to the unit, which seems impractical and pointless. But there you go. But when I put my input like from a source, from a music source such as my PC, phone, tablet, or my radio, it works as normal. But I really feel there's something wrong with the electronics. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but yeah, until then I might use this unit for the meantime while it's so beaten up, almost eviscerated. But yeah, for the meantime I'll be using this to record some things like radio station notices and whatnot. I'm also planning of making a recorder myself if I can't find any boombox recorders or something of any sort. Until then, this is Turnaround Haze, and I'll see y'all sometime.